So we started our day by going to IAMA to attend my dad's felicitation. He was being awarded something, so we went for that. After which we went for some really nice lunch. So my father had some felicitation in IAMA for some top 3 something, and so we went for that. And after that, we're here in Turquoise Villa for some really nice food, and we're really enjoying it here. My mom's birthday was on the 27th of December, and here's a clipping of the midnight celebration that we did with balloons, apple pies, and ice cream. And I just want to include this in the vlog, even though it wasn't the same day, just because it's a very happy video clipping.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dear mommy. Mommy. Birthday to you. That's right. Happy birthday. Wallet पे से डाल. Happy birthday bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. ओए आप देखो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लग रही हूँ. ये आपका है. हाय बहन. बहन का बहन ये देखो. बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लग रही है. हाँ खींचो खींचो.
Since it's a weekend, it's Ebony's bath day, so that's what we are doing. My sister is giving Ebony a bath, and I'm just vlogging.
Dog beauty vlogger Ebony recommends the Himalaya coat cleaner, antibacterial, anti-dandruff shampoo only for dogs. Presenting Ebony's bathing routine.
So I'm on the way to the airport, and from the airport I'll go to Delhi obviously, and from there my friends are going to pick me up. So I have Samarth and Priya who are going to pick me up from the airport.
So my friends came to the airport to pick me up. That's Priya, that's Samar, and a friend of his. They all came to pick me up from the airport, and they're like the best friends that I can ever get.
नीचे कसम से नीचे
नीचे यार
ये देख कैसे खड़ा है सुबह कुछ ना सीधा खड़ा मैं लंबी किससे
शोल्डर से तो लंबी है
नहीं.
हाथ पे बाल खड़े हुए हैं ना इसके
So we started off my Gurgaon trip by going to this temple in Wazirabad, I'm guessing, in the morning. So we woke up at 5:30, went to this temple in a long drive, and then had chole bhature afterwards.
तो टेक्स्ट कर रही है
पर मैं टेक्स्ट नहीं कर रही.
बड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता सुबह सुबह जो एकदम फ्रेश एयर होती है.
सो तो है.
बड़ा अच्छा पूरे दिन पोल्यूशन में रहते हो.
समर्थ हाय बोल.
हाय
हाय. तो अनहाइजीनिक कुत्ते काट नहीं सकते, चाट नहीं सकते.
ये मेरे ऊपर 3 फ्लीज या क्या होते हैं.
After that drive to the temple in Wazirabad, we went to Galleria. Galleria is my favorite place in Gurgaon. I hang out there all the time. So like, if you bump into me there, don't be surprised.
क्या कर रहा है तू?
नहाने की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. पानी नहीं मिल रहा मेरे को.
So our car broke down. We had a puncture, so someone was fixing it, and it was so funny.
ये YouTube पे जाने वाला है. जब जा रहा है तो बोलती है ऐसे.
So Samarth and Priya are basically my best friends, and I did not really vlog everything because I obviously wanted to spend some personal time with them. But this day we went to Dwarka to see one of Samarth's football match, and I'm going to be including some clips here, and it was a lot of fun. So yeah.
ले ले.
हाय. ये व्लॉग है.
सामने देसी मत
हाँ
कर.
हाँ वो
Go 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 go.
हम एग्जैक्टली अभी कहाँ हैं?
Go 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 Samarth go go.
पर हम कहाँ हैं ये तो बता
Before
दे.
match नहीं.
But
During
हम
match.
हम कहाँ पे हैं?
द्वारका.
क्यों?
द्वारकाधीश.
तू व्लॉग तू ऐसे तू यूट्यूबर जैसे बोल. हम कहाँ हैं? हाय गाइस.
द्वारकाधीश. Hi guys.
मैं अभी
द्वारकाधीश.
for what?
Football match.
Where Samarth?
Go Samarth go 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 go.
हम किस लिए आए यहाँ पे? समर्थ कहाँ है?
I came here for New Year's and we had a lot of fun on New Year's. This is just some clippings after New Year's and I think it's on my Snapchat, so if you want you can check that out.
Hi guys, what is up? So I decided to vlog the whole of my journey on basically I decided to vlog the whole of my journey in Gurgaon, but I basically wanted to spend time with my friends and some of it was like private stuff and like inside jokes, and vlogging it all made no sense. So I have some bits of my Delhi trip in this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy, but I didn't really vlog the whole trip. I planned to go to a lot of places, but it couldn't really happen because of some reasons. But I came home to this package from Nykaa and I am going to be unboxing it.
Okay. I thought they would give me individual packs. Okay. So, how do I open this without having to check this out? Yeah, this is okay.
Okay, yay. So I have this one from Color Sense. I just want to try this one. This is apparently a nice nude. Then this one is from Lakme. It's the Enriched Matte lipstick. And then this one is the Maybelline Color Show lipstick. Let's see if these are the shades that were on the site, and I'll show you guys. Alright, so these are the three lipsticks. The first one is from Color Sense and this is in the shade Spring Wine. This is in the shade Spring Wine. So these are the swatches. The topmost one is BM10 by Lakme. The second one is Mysterious Mocha by Maybelline Color Show. And the third one is a Spring Wine by Color Sense. And these are the three lipsticks. So all of these are basically creamy mattes. And if you guys want separate reviews, do tell me and I'll do them. And also I might shop more from Nykaa. So if I do, I'll include these three lipsticks in the makeup and skincare haul as well. And I'll show you guys. I might end this video here, or I might also vlog more. I don't really know. But if I do, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. We reached 6,000 subscribers. I cannot. So thank you so much for subscribing. If you aren't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe right now. It'll make me the happiest, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm vlogging again. I'm actually really liking vlogging. I don't know why, I just do. So I'm vlogging again and it's 12 AM right now. I can't sleep and I'm very hungry right now, okay? So I really feel like eating something. I'm not necessarily hungry, and I was talking to a friend of mine and I was wondering what to have. Now I was surfing the internet, I found this recipe. It's the garlic noodles recipe. I have some spaghetti at home, so I'm gonna make some garlic noodles for myself and I'm gonna vlog the whole process. Hi! So I finally found the recipe that I would want to use. I will link it in the description box below just in case you want proper recipes and proper measurements. I'm just gonna be doing like eyeballing and I'm gonna vlog along. So if you want a video for how the recipe is done, watch the vlog. If you want a proper recipe with the measurements, the link is gonna be down below. And yeah, I'm just gonna go make it and eat it and sleep. Alright, so to start off, I'm boiling the spaghetti. So you just need to take a pan with water and add some salt and then add the spaghetti. I'm using the Del Monte one, and over here I'm just chopping some garlic. I've taken about a whole of the garlic and right now I'm just finely chopping it into small pieces. Alright, so my noodles are almost done. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in the strainer I have here. So I'll just go do that, and I won't film it or else I'll burn myself. Alright, so I've added the oil. Now I'm gonna put the finely chopped garlic. I'm actually putting a lot of garlic, but you can use it according to like your preference. One garlic and now the chili flakes. I think this is too much. Like yeah. So I've added the oil, the garlic and the chili flakes, and we're supposed to cook it till it's yellow and kind of cooked and the raw feeling is gone. And you have to cook it on medium heat, so that's what I'm doing. cook it only till it's yellow and not more, or else it will taste burnt. Okay, now you're supposed to add some. Wait, let me put it on sim. Okay, now you're supposed to add some soy sauce and some vinegar. This is what. Wait. So right now I'm supposed to add some soy sauce and some vinegar. Okay, so you're supposed to add some vinegar and some soy sauce. Right, so I've added some soy sauce and some vinegar, and now I'm just gonna stir fry it, and then I'm gonna put my noodles. Pour some olive oil. Now I'm gonna stir fry it. Okay. So I just made my spaghetti here. If you guys like garlic spaghetti, then this is a recipe you should try. It's very easy and very tasty. Along with that, I made some coffee for myself, some hot coffee, and I have my cherry candle right now. And along with that, I'm watching some Bigg Boss. So right now I'm just gonna have a nice date night for myself.